Hello everyone, and in this video I will analyze Monzo Plus review and talk about the overview, benefits, pricing, is Monzo Plus worth, how to cancel Monzo Plus and the conclusion. But first please subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's begin. Overview. Monzo Plus, introduced by Monzo, is a premium subscription package that comes with exclusive perks. The Monzo Plus subscription plan offers supplementary advantages in exchange for a monthly fee of £5. Subscribers can receive £400 for ATM withdrawals overseas, a 1% AR on your account balance, and exclusive deals for renowned brands. Monzo Plus offers a diverse array of advantages that enhance your banking experience. Interest rates. Enjoy a variable interest rate of 1% AR on balances up to £2,000 with Monzo Plus. This translates to a potential additional earning of up to £20 per year, maximizing the value of your money. Roundup rules. Experience advanced roundup features, allowing you to customize rounds up amount and caps. Choose multipliers of 2, 5, or 10 to effortlessly save per change without conscious effort. For instance, if you spend £2.50 on coffee and have a multiplier of 2, Monzo Plus will round it up to 5. One free deposit. Benefit from one complimentary cash deposit per month at any PayPoint location, enabling fee-free deposit of up to £250. This is particularly advantageous for frequent cash users or those with limited access to ATMs. Exclusive offers. Enjoy exclusive deals from various brands such as Laka, Patch, Babylon Health, Fit, and Rack Breakdown Cover. These offers provide a 10% to 15% discount on their products. Cash withdrawal. Avail of free withdrawals abroad up to £400, allowing you to access cash from ATMs without incurring fees, especially if beneficial for frequent international travelers. Virtual cards. Obtain up to 5 virtual cards linked to your physical card, providing an extra layer of security against online fraud. Easily close a hacked virtual card through the Monzo app to safeguard your funds. Custom categories. Create personalized spending categories and split transactions into multiple groups with Monzo Plus. This feature aids in budgeting and enables more accurate tracking of expenditures. Additionally, you can export transaction data to a Google spreadsheet. Credit report. Monitor your credit score within the Monzo app with access to TransUnion and Credit Karma credit reports. Holographic card. Exclusive to Monzo Plus members, the holographic card offers a unique aesthetic. While it's not a metal card, it features a distinctive holographic design on a plastic, normal style debit card. Balance visibility. Consolidate your accounts from other banks into your Monzo account, providing a comprehensive overview of all your balances in one convenient location. Pricing. Monzo Plus is available for £5 per month, totaling £60 annually. To get started, commit to a 3-month period during which you pay the monthly fee. After this initial period, you have the flexibility to cancel at any time, ensuring that Monzo Plus aligns with your financial needs. If you decide it's not the right fit, simply inform Monzo before your renewal date. It is Monzo Plus worth? From my perspective, Monzo Plus doesn't quite justify the expense. Many of its offerings can be obtained elsewhere without a cost. However, if convenience is a top priority for you, it might hold some value. Before dismissing Monzo Plus entirely, let's take a closer look at what it brings to the table. Join me as we assess the heights, the middling aspect, and the drawbacks with an honest perspective. The pros. Monzo Plus is like a budgeting superhero. It lets you make your own spending categories, which is awesome because you can break down your expenses just the way you want. And guess what? You can even split up one purchase into different categories. This means you get super accurate insight into your spending habits. Monzo Plus gives you 5 virtual debit cards, each with its own unique details. Perfect for online shopping. If someone tries to mess with your virtual card, no worries. You can easily cancel it without the hassle of replacing your physical card. Monzo Plus lets you deposit up to £250 for free. That's pretty cool, especially when you think about the other guys charging £1 for every deposit. Monzo Plus is like the superhero sidekick you never knew you needed for budgeting and banking. Cons. While Monzo Plus offers a perk of free withdrawals abroad, capped at £400 every 30 days, I found this feature somewhat redundant. Given my reliance on banking online, coupled with the fact that £400 falls short of my monthly spending, I don't perceive this feature as a worthwhile investment. Another feature lets you link accounts from different banks to your Monzo account, consolidating all your balances in one place. While undeniably useful, many traditional banks provide this service for free. Consequently, I don't view this feature as a significant value addition. Monzo Plus flaunts a unique holographic debit card exclusively available to its members. However, the flashy card doesn't enhance the practical value in my day-to-day life. Hence, I don't see this feature as a particularly valuable or essential. How to cancel Monzo Plus? Here's your roadmap for bidding farewell to Monzo Plus. Open the Monzo app and hit the menu button. Select Setting from the option. Tap on Monzo Plus, choose Cancel Subscription, confirm by tapping Yes. Monzo has some rules in place, and you will want to be in the know to avoid any surprise charges. If you decide to part ways within the first 14 days, no cancellation fee will launch you. But if you have ordered a fancy holographic blue card within that period, a £5 charge will tag along for the card. Now, if you decide to call it quits between the 15-day and the 3-month mark, there is a £5 cancellation fee to reckon with. On the bright side, if you decide to part on amicable terms after the 3 months milestone, no cancellation fee will come knocking on your financial door. Conclusions. In conclusion, after an extensive exploration of Monzo Plus, it's evident that the value it brings to users hinges on individual preferences and financial priorities. The array of features, from personalized spending categories to advanced roundups and virtual cards, showcases innovation in the banking experience. However, the decision to opt for Monzo Plus boils down to a personal cost-benefit analysis, weighing the offered perks against the subscription fee. As with any financial service, it's crucial to align the product with one's unique needs and habits. Monzo Plus provides a range of tools for those seeking enhanced control over their finances, and my experiences shed light on its potential benefits. If you are contemplating a subscription, take the time to assess how the feature align with your financial goals and daily banking practices. And there we have it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.